Good morning, friends. In our chapter Direction, chapter number 6, let us continue with the next concept, the next element of direction, that is motivation. So here you must have observed so many times the people says that the employees have capacity to work, but their willingness to work is not seen. So what is lacking? That person should feel like that no, I have to do. Even your parents sometimes they used to say that my child is having really a good capacity and he has a very good grasping power and his memory, but he is not working hard. He is not putting that much efforts, otherwise he is capable of getting much more result. These are the common words you must have heard even at home. So what is that lacking part? That is what to be boosted, that is what to be encouraged. So that function of pushing somebody to work more, that to be called motivation in our simple terms. So let us see in our commercial words how the motivation to be expressed. So motivation, the meaning is that motivation means the process, it is a process, it is an activity continuously you need to do. The word process means whatever you are going to do has to be done for regularly for longer period of time. To stimulating the people to perform action. Stimulating means to click, to just make them understand, to just make them that yes, it has to spark, that yes, I need to do. So to stimulate people to perform action and to make it possible, action you have to perform and whatever the result expected has to be possible, you have to make it possible. If parents desire that you should get a distinction, then yes, let me work hard and let me satisfy their desire. So you have to make it possible to have a maximum work satisfaction. And our main motto is that I should also feel at the same time that yes, I am happy with what I am doing. So here motivation from the management side, they are sparkling the situation, psychological phenomena, the motivation is. So they are trying to encourage you. And your side, the thing good for you is that you has to get the work satisfaction. That yes, I have got it, I have done it. So that feeling is in general term you can say motivation. The definition is said by the Morgan that motivation is that state of mind. See, it is a mental process. It has nothing to do with any of the physical activity. Whatever you are doing, you are stimulating or you are encouraging or you are appreciating everything just by words, by action, by feeling and by your gesture that you are doing. So it is a state of mind that leads a worker towards objective. Our goal has to be achieved. Management has set a goal. That goal worker has to achieve. So for that, whatever push is required, that is in terms of management, you can say it's a motivation. It's an encouragement. So in this manner, if the meaning is asked, you can write in general words and in your way you can express. And when the definition is asked, you have to be precisely quote the words said by the writer. So main purpose of our motivation is that to stimulate the willingness of the worker. Ability is one thing and doing, ready to do that task is another thing. Management always struggle in this particular two situation that people, employees are capable of, but they are stubborn. They are not ready to work. So how to make them work? That technique is that motivation. Now the characteristics of motivation. The very first, that it is an internal inspiration. What you are doing, it is a emotional, internal. It is a within the person you have to enlighten that feel towards work. That is what motivation. Motivation gives a strength to the worker. When you come running by getting a good result, your body language only says and communicate to your parents that yes, today the child must have got a very good result, because his strength itself is expressing that he has that satisfaction. So motivation increase the strength, it gives the power, and it is to do something better. When you motivate somebody during the class, when the teacher is teaching and give you some exercise question, and she keep on taking a round, and the child complete, and when he raise the hand and show and the thing is fine, teacher always tap on your shoulder, say very good beta. So that two words said by the teacher, very good beta, itself is sufficient to increase that potential of a child. Oh, what a good thing I have done and I am capable of. So that is what? It is an internal inspiration which leads to lot of increase in the strength of a person, its power increase, and he always feel better. He feel that yes, I am encouraged. So that is what the first. Second is, that is the psychological concept. As I said, motivation is not a pill that you give somebody, he swallow and automatically he feel motivated. No. It is a transmission of a psychological aspect, encouraging the person, boosting the person, making the person understand that he is so capable. That transmission is nothing but a motivation. So psychological concept, psychological phenomena. You can't see it, but you feel the result. You can't have any particular physical form, but you will see the better improvement in a person. The different mental status need different inspiration. See, all humans are not same. Every employees are not having same temperament. Somebody understand one language, somebody understand other language. So you as a management, you have to find out that who is going to be motivated by which particular technique, by which particular aspect. So that is what to be implemented. The different mental status of every individual is to be treated differently, is to be inspired separately. So you have to do the work in the way which understood by the particular employee with whom you are dealing. The third is that it increase efficiency of employee. Definitely motivation increase the capacity of a person to work. So how that you can recognize? You encourage the worker. Yes, do it. Keep it up. I know you can definitely do. You are so good. You are always first. These are the words. You must have watched the cricket match. When you go there on the field, you always cheer up. Why you are cheering up? Because you want to motivate the players. So encourage the worker. Boost the moral. You have to boost the moral. Your duty is not to put anybody down. Your duty is to encourage them. Productivity or your efficiency of a worker certainly increase when you do the function of motivation. Continuous process. Motivation has to be done from the beginning till the end. It goes on and on, like our planning, like our other functions. Motivation function of management is continuous. Reduction in the labor turnover ratio. When the worker, they feel that yes, I am doing very good, they are getting good remuneration and good wages, as well as along with that they also get the satisfaction, job satisfaction, then why should they leave the firm? They have to work either here or somewhere else. Work they have to do. If mental peace is there, mental satisfaction is there, good remuneration is there, then they don't leave the firm, they work here regularly, which reduce the labor turnover ratio. Then here, that achievement of the goal is to be done. Goal are of two types, personal goal of worker as well as business objective. Both are to be incorporated, that is what function of direction. And in the direction only one is element, motivation. So it's your duty to incorporate the objective of personal and business combined. Wider scope. Motivation has a wide range, wide things to be covered by the motivation. Here that the broad and the splendor concept is that of motivation. It deals with need of a person. What is your basic need? We will learn later on the hierarchy of needs. At that time we will see that what needs vary from person to person. You have to motivate the person. You have to see the emotional aspect of the person. You have to find the aim. All have different aim. So try to catch the aim by which you can motivate the person. The choices are different. The willpower of a person is different. Few are emotionally weak, few are very strong. So these are the identification. You have to have the eagerness. Every individual have that keenness to know something new. So that eagerness can be caught, and accordingly also you can motivate. You can see the temptation, how tempted the person is. According to you can motivate. So there are so many aspects through which the function of motivation can be easily done. The next is that is adopting change in an organization. All the employees are reluctant for a change. For an example, in our pandemic, we are also now adopting the change, learning from e-learning, otherwise school learning. We teachers and students have never thought of that we will be learning like this. So all are always hesitant and reluctant to change. But when you motivate them, when you explain them, then the motivation make a person to accept the change quickly and easily. So here the boost is required, that you have to make them understand that the technological change are going to be better for us. Next is tool to get the cooperation. Motivation change the mental state of employee, which helps a employee to respect the top management, the superior. So the development under whatever undertaken and whatever understanding is developed among the employee, that leads to help the employee to respect for the corporate and respect for the management. The next is positive attitude. When individual problems are solved of every employee and when you are giving sufficient motivation to them, the feeling of respect and development among the worker will increase. They are ready to be positive. Instead of rebelling, they are going to now cooperate and help you. The next is that one of the important function of management. You have to keep in mind the human factor. Employee is one of the human factor, only the human factor. 4 factor of production are there in that: land, labor and material and capital. The labor is the only factor which is a live factor. So keep in mind, other factors no need to motivate, only labor need to be motivated. So this leads to the production and this leads to the increase in efficiency, increase in productivity. So humanity is to be considered at time of motivation. So in this manner, the motivation a very important one of the element of direction, and we have to keep in mind that how we can make work simple, easy and with a willingness of a worker can be boosted, so productivity of worker can increase. Thank you.